Welcome back, everyone. Today we re-diving into a topic that is near and dear to my heart: detoxing your body. And here's the kicker. I want to show you how you can do it in just 24 hours. So if you're ready to embark on a journey to cleanse your system and feel like new, stick around. We're about to dive in. Did you know that the average person carries around 1 pound of toxins in their body? These sneaky toxins often lurk in everyday products, from cleaning solutions to personal care items, food additives, and even the water we drink. But here's the alarming part. Over time, these toxins build up in our bodies, leading to decreased energy levels, weight gain, digestive woes, brain fog, and even skin issues. But what if I told you that you could turn this around in a matter of days? You heard that right, just 24 hours. In today's episode, we'll reveal simple yet powerful ways to eliminate these toxins naturally. Remember, it's not about extreme measures, but about making smart choices that can transform your health and well-being in just one day. So let's get started and see how you can detoxify your body in just 24 hours. The first step in our 24-hour detox journey is to give your body a gentle cleanse from the inside out. Think of it as a reset for your digestive system. And here's how you do it. Start by cutting out processed foods, sugary treats, and unhealthy fats. These foods not only add unnecessary calories, but also burden your body with hard-to-digest ingredients that can slow down your detox process. Instead, focus on consuming foods that are naturally detoxifying. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients help your body flush out toxins more efficiently. Whole grains are also a great addition, as they support your digestive health and provide essential fibers for a smooth detox process. Remember, hydration is key during this phase. Water helps your body transport toxins out of your system, so aim to drink plenty of it throughout the day. Now let's talk about the next crucial step in our 24-hour detox plan. Getting enough water. Hydration is key to flushing toxins out of your body. So aim to drink at least 2 liters of water throughout the day. But here's an extra tip to make your water more effective. Add a squeeze of lemon juice. Lemon water is not only refreshing, but also helps your liver produce enzymes, crucial for detoxifying your blood. It's a simple trick with big results. To make it easier to remember to stay hydrated, carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. That way, you'll have a constant reminder to drink up. You can also infuse your water with natural flavors like cucumber, mint, or berries for added refreshment. And here's another fantastic way to boost your body's natural detox processes. Let's discuss natural remedies that can supercharge your detox journey. One powerful option is apple cider vinegar. This liquid gold is rich in acetic acid, which helps your body break down toxins more efficiently. Simply mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. It may not be the tastiest drink, but the benefits are worth it. Another natural ally in your detox journey is ginger. This zesty root is excellent for digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients while eliminating waste. You can enjoy ginger in various forms, from fresh grated ginger in your drinks to ginger tea or even ginger candies. For those who prefer a more targeted approach, consider charcoal. Activated charcoal is known for its detoxifying properties, helping to absorb toxins in your digestive tract. You can find it in capsule form and follow the instructions on the packaging. As we continue our 24-hour detox adventure, let's now focus on a practice that's often overlooked: dry skin brushing. This simple technique can work wonders in boosting your lymphatic system. Using a natural bristle brush, start from your feet and brush upwards towards your heart. This motion encourages lymph circulation, helping your body eliminate toxins more effectively. Focus on areas where toxins tend to accumulate, such as your liver and kidney areas. Remember, gentle circular motions can help stimulate your skin and promote better circulation. Dry skin brushing not only aids in detoxification, but also leaves your skin smoother and more radiant. Let's explore another fantastic method for detoxifying your body: yoga. Certain yoga poses are like secret weapons for your detox journey. They stimulate blood circulation, improve digestion, and promote the elimination of toxins. One powerhouse pose is downward facing dog. This pose gets your blood flowing, aiding in the removal of toxins. Another must-try is the seated twist pose, which helps detoxify your spine and promote organ health. Don't worry if you're a beginner, there are plenty of resources online to guide you through these poses. Even a few minutes of practice can make a difference. And here's another secret weapon in our 24-hour detox arsenal: saunas. Whether it's a traditional dry sauna or a steamy Turkish bath, these heat-infused experiences can accelerate your detox journey. The heat helps you sweat profusely, releasing toxins like heavy metals and chemicals through your skin. Plus, saunas can improve blood circulation and boost your immune system. If you don't have access to a sauna, don't fret. A hot bath with Epsom salts can create a similar detoxifying effect. Just relax and let the heat work. It's magic. Alright, we've covered a lot of detox methods. Now let's talk about the climax of our 24-hour detox journey. What is the single best way to detox in just 24 hours? My top recommendation is a powerful combo of two techniques: intense sweating and a purifying smoothie. Start with a session in the sauna or hot bath to induce heavy sweating. Then prepare yourself a purifying smoothie loaded with detoxifying ingredients like spinach, kale, celery, cilantro, and parsley. These ingredients are like a green team working together to flush out toxins from your body. The smoothie helps your body absorb and eliminate toxins more efficiently. It's like giving your body a green boost. And here's the exciting part. You'll likely feel lighter, more energetic, and incredibly refreshed after this 24-hour detox. It's like hitting the reset button on your health. But remember, this is just the beginning. For those looking to extend their detox journey, I've got you covered. In another video, I share my top 3-day detox plan. It's a comprehensive guide to help you eliminate toxins and reset your body's balance. It's filled with practical tips, delicious recipes, and insights into how to maintain a detox lifestyle beyond the 3 days. So if you're interested in taking your detox journey to the next level, check out the video linked below. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing your health can seem like a distant dream. Between juggling work, family, and social life, finding time for self-care often takes a back seat. But what if I told you that you could transform your health and well-being in just 24 hours? That's right. Our 24-hour detox journey isn't just about a quick fix. It's about igniting a lasting shift in your mindset and habits. From cleansing your diet with whole foods and staying hydrated to incorporating natural remedies like apple cider vinegar and ginger, each step is designed to help your body eliminate toxins more efficiently. Practices like dry skin brushing and yoga further enhance this process, promoting better circulation and lymphatic flow. And don't underestimate the power of combining intense sweating with a purifying smoothie. It's like giving your body a green detox boost. As you reflect on your 24-hour detox experience, remember that every small step counts. You might not see drastic changes in a day, but you'll likely feel lighter, more energetic, and incredibly refreshed. So if you've made it this far, congratulations. You've taken a significant stride towards a healthier you. And if you're eager to continue this journey, I've got something special for you. Check out my video on my top 3-day detox plan. It's the perfect next step in your detox adventure. And please, don't forget to comment below about your detox experience. Your comments inspire others and help them start their own detox journeys. Thank you for joining me on this incredible detox adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay well and keep detoxing.